Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Yes, it is indeed snowing even though it is April 3rd, but here in central Pennsylvania, early April is still winter. Anyway, you may have noticed that I have a new microwave. Her name is Quincy. If you're wondering what happened to Jareth, watch the Silly String episode. He still works, but his interior needs fixed up a little. And before I do the stuff for the season 4 finale that will likely finish off a whole bunch of different microwaves, I decided to break in a new microwave, Quincy, by nuking the annoying orange, and she's going to become a big favorite of mine for shutting up that annoying little piece of produce that's like a slightly less irritating version of Fred. Hey Apple, hey Apple, yeah, hey Apple, hey Captain Microwave. What? Hey, you're an apple. Hey, Microwave. Hey, Quincy, what are you doing? I'm gonna microwave you, and you're gonna be shutting up. Hey, it's dark in here. Now, where's the knife? Hey, Captain Microwave. What? Knife? Hey, why am I in here? It's dark in here. Hey, no, it's dark in here. Shut up. As you probably remember, I already did an orange and a lemon back in the beginning of season 2, but I'm going to be doing an orange for you in high definition. So this is a clever way of revisiting an old experiment. Hey Quincy, hey Quincy, don't nuke me, Hey, where's the burrito? I want to go back in time. Hey burrito, where's the burrito? You're gonna die. Okay, time cook. I figure 2 minutes and 9 seconds since the orange debuted in 2009 will work. Hey Captain Microwave, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey Captain Microwave. Hey Captain Microwave, it's getting hot in here. Hey Captain, hey Captain, I'm burning up. Hey, get me out of here. That's one way to shut up an annoying orange. I'm sure lots of people are going to be huge fans of Quincy for doing us all that amazing favor. Looks like the annoying orange is no longer annoying. You can see he's very well cooked, and Quincy just took care of a problem for all of us, and I'm going to have to say that this was a good idea all around. If the annoying orange drove you crazy, you probably love this episode. And if you're a fan of the annoying orange, well, I just hope you're a good sport about it. Anyway, this is Captain Microwave signing off with my new microwave Quincy, who I actually bought new retail at Walmart for the low price of $22.50, which was a steal, so how could I not buy it? First new microwave on the show. Stay tuned next time when I nuke a light bulb.